Welcome. It's a word that we hear often, but we less often experience. At First Baptist Church of West Jefferson, we believe it's our God-given vision to be a harbor of God's love and a beacon of Christ's hope. As a harbor, we are committed to being a community where everyone feels welcomed and accepted, loved and beloved. As a beacon, we are committed to taking that love into the community and sharing it with others, modeling what Jesus said and did. First of all shall be last of all and servant of all. Whether you're joining us virtually for worship or one of our discipleship groups, or considering attending one of the many gatherings that we have for worship, discipleship, fellowship, or service, we hope that you will feel the embrace of God's love in and through this beloved community. Welcome to First Baptist.